In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a unique list of customer names that you can use in a named range that'll automatically update as you add to your customers, and you can use that list in a drop-down. So for starters, I'm going to use the unique function, select the customer name field. I've got my list. I can also sort this with the sort function. Now it's sorted in alphabetical order. Next, I'm going to go to the Formulas tab, hit the Name Manager, create New, call this Customer List. And I can't just reference the range, I want it to be dynamic. So I'm going to use the Offset function, set my starting point at E1, 0, 0, and then count A function to count the number of values that are in column E. And then set my width to 1. And now I've got my customer list. If I go down here, I can go to Data Validation, create a list as my source, set this equal to customer list. And now I've got my drop-down options. What I can do now is, let's say if I test this out and add Microsoft, it's updated on there, and if I go to my named range, Microsoft's there as well. So by creating that dynamic customer list using the offset function, it's automatically going to expand as I add new customers.